Alright boys, the old Avenge X. Now this is 22 caliber. Shooting JSB 18.13 grain pellets, 50 yards on the laser. I'm going to share some thoughts about this gun should you decide you want to buy one. Now the reg on this thing is a shade over 2,000 PSI. Alright, now this gun is capable of being filled to 300 bar. And it will shoot with 300 bar in it. Alright, filling this gun to 300 bar, remember it's just got one regulator, unlike some more expensive guns that are dual regulated. Those dual regulated guns, that extra regulator didn't get put on there by accident. Okay. Now, here's what I see with this gun. This gun shoots extraordinarily well. This is not an overly priced gun. From about 3,500 feel PSI down to about 2,500. This thing shoots exceptionally well. Those pellets at 50 yards. You start getting under 2,500, it gets a little shaky. And it's a little shaky over 3,500, but you get quite a few shots in between 3,500 and 2,500. I've not counted them. All right. Now, your regulator adjustment could affect that, meaning it may affect your span of the sweet spot. I've not experimented a whole lot with that. All right. But I've shot this gun enough, the old sharpshooter off a wrist. You see that rig there. Alright, I'm going to take you over here to a target and just show you what this, now I filled it up a shade over 3,500, shot it 3 times, let her settle down. I shot a group, and then I changed how the gun was sitting on the rest and shot 2 more shots at an intersection on this target at 50 yards. Disclaimer here. I've took this shroud off and took this baffle out. Put some aluminum tape around the barrel out here where that baffle sits down. So the barrel is a tighter fit. What you're going to see out here on this target, that's how this gun was set up when it was shot. You'll have to do your own experiment to see if you like that or not. But that's how this target was shot. Alright. Okay. There's the last 2 shots I shot. Alright. Now here's the group you need to watch. That one. That's about 6 or 7 shots. 50 yards. Now the scope wasn't, I had to re-zero the scope. When those were shot, the scope wasn't zeroed. I was aiming down here at that intersection. You see that group there. That's 7 shots. Okay, and then down here's where I let the gun settle down. Okay, since I changed that barrel configuration a little bit by putting that aluminum tape under that baffle, or on the barrel, you know, where the baffle slides up on it. Okay. So for a cheap gun, not bad. But you're not going to get the whole, you know, the whole PSI usage, you know, range out of that gun. The chronograph may not even reflect really any differences. But when you shoot that gun, you're liable to see them, okay? I'll keep it and I'll use it. But I won't be pumping it up probably to 4,350 PSI, taking it to the woods. It would be closer to 3,500 PSI. Alright? Hope you enjoy. Now remember, if you have the bottle version, to get that same 1,000 PSI, you know, shoot that spread out, it's going to take more shots. So you would get probably more shots, more accurate shots with the bottle versus the tube. All right, hope you enjoyed.